Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use processing function in the RiceTrace. In this example, we will record the milling process of 500 tons of paddy. Our company name is Good Rice, and the paddy product name registered in the RiceTrace is FG01NAV24. This is a medium grain rice harvested on November 24 by farmer group number 1. The conversion rate of this milling process is 71%. So the product of this process is 355 tons of milled rice. The product of this process will be given name as medium MA24. Now I want to make sure that the paddy FG01NAV24 is available in the inventory. Let's go to traceability and then inventory. In the product name, let's type FG01. Here it is. The paddy FG01NAV24, with available volume 3,500 tons, and the chain of custody claim is segregated. Now let's move to traceability, and then processing. Click Add to create a new processing record. Now we have to fill this processing form with the information we have. The processor is our company, Good Rice. The processing date is 11/11/2024. The rice is medium grain. The processing step is milling. The product name is medium MA24. The product ID is not mandatory to fill, but for this example, assuming Good Rice has production code for each milling process, I will fill it as MILMG111124. You can use this product ID with your own production ID if you have, so you can trace it if needed in the future. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Now I will move to input table. Let's fill the SRP-Verified input with paddy FG01NAV24. And then fill the volume with 500. Also, the COC claim is segregation. Then I will move upward to fill the output volume. It is 355 tons, and then the conversion ratio, which is 71%. After all the information is filled correctly, now we click Save. There are two options now. You can save it as draft if you are not ready to process it and need to revise later. Because I have filled all the information correctly, I will proceed to start processing. After we click the Start Processing, the input field cannot be revised, and the input volume has been deducted from inventory. Now we return to the processing form. We can revise any information here if needed, but we cannot revise the input field. I don't have anything to revise, so I can proceed to complete the processing. Now we click Review. As always, you can save it if not ready to complete now. To complete the processing, choose Processing Completed and click OK. Finally, the processing record is done. We can check the inventory of the input and the product to make sure that our processing record is correctly created. Let's go to the Traceability menu and then Inventory. Let's find the paddy FG01. Here we can see that the volume has been deducted from 3,500 to 3,000 tons. Now let's find medium MA24, which is the product name of the processing result. Here we can see that this product name is successfully created with the volume as much as 355 tons. Starting from January 2026, we have updated the processing form by adding two fields. They are site and product form. In this example, as Good Rice Company has 4 sites, we have to select on which site the processing occurs. For the product form, we have to select the form of the output from this processing. The output can be in form of paddy, processed rice, and retail pack. In this example, because the process is milling, then the output product form is processed. We have reached the end of this video. If you have any further question, please do not hesitate to contact us through assurance@srpglobal.org. Thank you for watching.